what's up everybody? Eric Webb from AOPA here with the 2023 AOPA Sweepstakes 170B. Well, we took this thing from a bone stock 1953 Cessna 170B. We had Continental IO 370 Prime 195 horsepower engine dropped into it thanks to Stutz Aviation with the STC. It's got a Hartzell Trailblazer composite propeller. We got 26-inch Alaska bush wheel tires up front. Steen Sportsman Stoll wing cuffs the whole way around. We got Vortex generators on top, tail pull handle in the back, and an incredible paint job designed by Michael Garber. The panel was completely redone by Gardner Lowe down in Falcon Field in Georgia. And it's got all new avionics in there, something that you would have only dreamed of back in 1953 when this was originally built. We've also got the V-brace in there in case the winner would like to put a set of floats on the airplane. They will be good to go for that. Brand new windscreen. It doesn't have the split windscreen anymore. And then the leather interior panels have that same mountain theme that you see on the outside drawn into the inside as well. One of my favorite features is the ashtrays. I used to have 4 ashtrays, one for each seat. The ashtrays in the back are now where you plug your headset jacks into.
Hey guys, as you watch Eric land the AOPA 170, just a reminder, if you are an AOPA member, you are already automatically entered, and if you're not, click on the link in the description to find out how you can win this 170.